Ever feel like you're working hard all day, but not really getting much done? Increasing productivity at work isn't about squeezing in more hours. It's about making those hours count. In this video, we'll explore practical tips and strategies to help you work smarter, tackle distractions, and achieve your goals more effectively. Whether you're looking to boost your focus, manage time better, or simply get more out of your day, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Number 1. Set clear, achievable goals. Start with specific, realistic goals for each day or week. This helps you stay focused and gives you clear milestones to track your progress. Use tools like SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, to ensure your objectives are well defined. Number 2. Prioritize your tasks. Organize tasks by importance and urgency. Techniques like the Eisenhower matrix can help you distinguish between tasks that are urgent and important, those that can be scheduled, delegated, or even eliminated. Focusing on high-impact tasks helps prevent feeling overwhelmed. Number 3. Limit distractions. Distractions are productivity killers. Mute unnecessary notifications, create a distraction-free workspace, and communicate with colleagues about focus times when you're not to be interrupted. Simple steps like these can drastically improve focus and efficiency. Number 4. Take breaks strategically. Short, regular breaks prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. The Pomodoro technique, which involves working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break, is effective in maintaining energy and concentration throughout the day. Number 5. Automate repetitive tasks. For repetitive work, explore automation tools that can handle tasks like data entry, scheduling, or reminders. This allows you to focus on more complex and rewarding tasks, improving overall productivity. Number 6. Use the right tools. Utilize productivity tools that suit your workflow, whether it's task management apps like Asana or Trello, note-taking apps like Evernote, or communication platforms like Slack. The right tools can streamline collaboration and help keep everything organized. Number 7. Focus on one task at a time. Multitasking might seem efficient, but it actually decreases productivity. Instead, commit to one task, complete it, and then move on to the next. This way, you'll achieve better quality work and save mental energy. Number 8. Reflect and adjust. Regularly review what's working and what isn't. Taking a few minutes at the end of each week to evaluate your productivity helps you spot habits to improve and adjust your strategies for better results. Increasing productivity doesn't have to mean working longer hours. It's about making the hours you do work count. By setting clear goals, staying organized, and managing distractions, you can accomplish more while feeling less stressed. Remember, productivity is a journey. Try out these strategies, see what works best for you, and make adjustments along the way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found these tips helpful. Keep striving for progress, not perfection, and I'll see you in the next video.